Platinum against US dollar. This week has rise in value, formed this bullish breakout, which was confirmed with this bearish candle where the price did not return all the way back down, but the next day on a Wednesday the price gone down, making a bearish breakout. But on a Thursday the price has formed a bullish breakout, which was a validation of this bearish breakout, which was information that the price will continue to rise in value. We can see that the price has reached a 962.00 a resistance level, and on a Friday formed this indecision candle, not going above but also not going down. A weekly time frame shows me currently a bullish candle. A bullish week was here but did not manage to go above 962.00, which would be a very important resistance level that has been broken. But for now the price is here. So for now, for the monthly time frame, we can see that this month is a bearish candle with the larger wick on the downside, but on the smaller on the upside. How the month will close, it is very important to see in the next 2 weeks on the lower time frames. But for now, for the monthly time frame, everything suggests that there is a high probability that this month will close as a bearish month, not going above. What will that change? We'll see in the next 2 weeks. A very important level for the price on the monthly time frame is to close, just a minute, it is around this one here. It is an area 945 that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling even more down. If the price closed the monthly below this one, this will open the space to go even further. But if the price goes up and returns above 992.46, this will be a bullish mode where the price will try to reach 1033.49. Now the weekly time frame shows me this was a bearish breakout below 97.55 in the previous week, and this was invalidation of this bearish breakout, which means the price will continue to rise in value in the opposite direction. And this is something that has happened, and the price has touched the first resistance, 962.00, which means the price needs to find its way around this one's resistance and this support here. The daily time frame shows me this much more clearly. Now we can see a very important is 962.00 that the price needs to break, and below 937.55. Wherever the price makes a breakout, will it be up or down, it will define where the price will continue in the further days and also the week. This is something that needs to be watched, but for now, how the market looks, if I take a look here, this was a bearish, a monthly it is a bearish, so there is much more information that shows me that this in the next 2 weeks it will be a bearish. In the next 2 weeks it will be bearish weeks, but this can also change. If the price goes above 962, manage to go above 980.32, it will be a bullish momentum that will try to push the price again to 1012.44, where we can see that price stopped in the previous attempts. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.